Guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Simmy for those who don't know, and today we're doing April favorites, my first favorites video. I'm so excited. Never actually done one yet, so yeah. I got a bunch of goodies from skincare to makeup to, hair products and face products and, all that. Okay, let's get started instead of me just rambling about random shit. Okie dokie. So, first thing I want to talk about is the Hilton Pro DNA Advanced Skincare System. It's like a face wash thing. It's so good. I totally recommend this, and I think it's only like 25 or 30 bucks. I got it in my Ipsy Glam Back Plus last month, but honestly, I would totally buy this again. Like, I'm still like halfway, like, done with the bottle. But it's been literally my skin. Ever since I started using this, my skin got so clear. Like, mine has like a couple of blemishes on my chin from like my hormones and all that. Because, yeah, girl's getting her period soon. So, but yeah, it's pretty good. I mean, you're supposed to use this twice a day, which I do in the morning when I wash my face. And then at night. And it has, I believe, like a caviar extract in it. It's good for like, firming your skin, for all that stuff. Yeah, you can massage this into wet face, neck, and décolletage. Alright, another thing for skincare, it's the Pond's, I think that's how you say it, anti-wrinkle cream. I've been using this for months now, probably like a year. And yeah, I really wanted to mention this because, like I said, no one wants wrinkles, and this, ever since I started using this, my skin, and my skin is super oily, so this, I'm really, like, iffy with, like, face creams, but this, it doesn't make my skin even more oilier, because I know certain creams, they will either break me out, or, make my face really, like, oily and just nasty looking, but this, it doesn't, so yeah, I think this was, like, $4 at Big Lots, but I'm pretty sure they have it at like, Walmart, CVS, and Walgreens. So yeah, I recommend this. And then another thing is that I wanted to talk about is the Crest 3D Whitening Therapy Charcoal Toothpaste. Ever since I started using this, my teeth are fucking white. Like, I have really, like, bad problem with, like, my teeth being white, even though I, like, fucking brush them, like, 3 times a day. They still tend to, like, I think it's because I drink too much coffee, like, a lot of coffee throughout the day. They kind of get, like, that, like, stain from the coffee. But ever since I started using this, yeah, they've been somewhat white, better than before. So, yeah, I recommend this. A little bit more pricier. I believe it was, like, $8, but it's been doing miracles, so I recommend this. Alright, another thing that I want to talk about is this Garnier Whole Blends Repairing Hair Mask. Since my hair is a little damaged from dyeing it, I need to dye it soon because it used to be like a bright red color, and now it kind of just faded into this like brownish ginger color, and my roots are coming out. But ever since I started using this thing is like literally like empty. There's like maybe like a little scoop left. But ever since I started using this, I use this every time I wash my hair, and my hair's been just so soft. It smells really good. Yeah, it's been helping a lot. So you guys should pick this up in the store if you have, dry hair and you kind of want to just bring it back to life so it's not so damaged. I recommend this. Alright, that's all for like skincare and hair and all that. Now we're gonna go into makeup. So, I guess let me grab this It Cosmetics Skin Smoothing Complexion Brush. Ever since I started using this, my foundation's been applying like perfectly. Like, it looks flawless. There's no like streaks, or it's even better than like my Morphe sponge. Like, it's expensive as shit. So I don't know, I'm kind of iffy about the price, but honestly this is like game changer in my like routine when I'm applying my makeup. And I heard you can apply like face creams, foundations, anything with this, because it has like a nice like like tilted, so it's like when you're applying it, it applies it really like smooth and nice, and like the thing says, skin smoothing complexion. So it literally looks like you're not wearing like foundation or anything on your face. Like, it looks flawless. I mean, minus the, I think it's like 40 bucks or something, minus the price, but I know It Cosmetics, like, their, like, makeup brushes are hella expensive for no reason. Well, I mean, maybe the reason is because they're actually good, but still, they should go a little bit more cheaper on that. Alright, what next? I feel like I'm, like, just rambling too much today. I had too much coffee, so I'm, like, going bananas. But it's okay. What else? I guess I'm gonna be talking about the Makeup Revolution translucent baking powder. I tried that. Makeup Revolution translucent powder. I tried out the baking powder and I did not like that, but it was probably because it was too white and it gave me really bad like flashback. But this, it honestly smooths out my skin so nicely. It looks like my skin is like nice and velvety. So yeah, and I believe it's only $8. Yeah, if you guys want to pick this up and you want to, you know, try out like a good loose setting powder, try this out. This guy is amazing. This and then the Maybelline loose powder, which I believe that one runs for like around $5. So they're both really good. And since my skin is oily, it does keep my face pretty good throughout the day, but I do have to touch it up with a little bit of like the powder like later on throughout the day, but you know, it is what it is. So yeah. And then I guess I want to talk about this Lovecraft Beauty blush, like a trio palette that I've received. And what I want to talk about is actually this shade right here, Daphne. Oh my god, that's what I'm wearing right now. And it's this perfect, like a peachy, like a darker, like shade. And it's my new favorite, like, blush, all-time blush ever. Like, it has nothing compared to, like, the Milani Baked Blush. Like, this little guy, hell yeah. Alright guys, next thing I want to talk about is this Wet n Wild Loose Highlight in a shade Mega Glow? No. So yeah, there's no, like, number of what color it is. I'm assuming Mega Glow. It's so good. I 100% recommend this if you want to try out, like, a cheap loose highlight that's, like, extra as hell. But you just gotta be careful with it because it's a little bit messy, and then you can't use, like, you should, what I usually do is use a fan brush to apply it on top of, like, my highlight, and this, it'll make that shit pop like crazy. So yeah, really like this. And then another thing that I want to talk about is the House of Lashes, Lashes in Siren. I've been literally wearing these every single freaking time I wear lashes. Today, I'm just using, you know, a little mascara. But anytime that I wear lashes, I've been, like, obsessed with these. Let me do a little close-up for you guys. But they're freaking amazing. They're so, like, fluffy and big and just honestly look like you have, like, eyelash extensions. That's why I like them. I don't know. I've been recently into that, like, whole style. And I actually don't know the price of them, so I'll link everything down below for you guys so you know. But yeah, they're very comfortable and, like, you know, lightweight, so you can't even feel them on. And then for the mascara, I've been obsessed with the Superhero It Cosmetics mascara. I have a little sample size, but my lashes are freaking huge. It's a little bit wet when you apply it, but once it's dry, it's amazing. It doesn't transfer and somewhat affordable. I mean, it's like, you know, kind of expensive. I think it's around like 20 bucks or something like that, so yeah. And then I'm obsessed with this Pierre Cosmetics lipstick in Incognito. It's such a pretty, like, a pink nude color. This is my, you know, all-time, like, favorite, like, nude color recently. I've been wearing it all the time. And then for the, like, eyes, I've been obsessed with the Morphe 35G Bronze Goals palette. It has such an amazing, like, neutral, like, colors with, like, bunch of, like, pops of colors, bunch of shimmers. And for the price, 25 bucks, you can't beat it. I mean, it's pretty much, you know, how many shades I think you get? Like 25, 24, so it's pretty much like $1 a shade. So yeah, you guys should pick this palette up if you really like neutral colors. And then the last thing that I want to talk about is the BH Cosmetics Blushing in Bali. And this whole palette, I believe, was 16 bucks, but I went to Ulta and they were having a clearance sale, and I got it for around $9. And what I really love about this palette, it has 3 blushes and then 3 highlights, but this highlight right here, holy crap, not gonna lie, this shit is so buttery, creamy, like, it's, this palette, it's amazing, like, for the price, fuck yeah, like, even just this, if you want to use it for this freaking just one highlight, it's still so much cheaper than, like, you know, any other palettes or, you know, all that stuff. So yeah, I highly recommend this, so you guys should pick this out. This is the highlight I'm actually wearing. This highlight, and then I have this on top. Alright guys, that's all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed all the April favorites. I'll have everything linked down below, and if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me on my Instagram and Twitter, which is semi_violet. I'll have everything linked down below for you. And yeah, I love you guys so much. Have a wonderful rest of the day, and I'll see you guys in my next one.